I'm just showcasing now my 3D printed V Blender. So the idea initially was this small V Blender, like for lab scale. Just I couldn't find it online, so a version of it to print. So I've designed one and printed with some help of people at UConn, University of Connecticut, and it's now available online to be downloaded and to be printed. A couple of things that you need a rubber band. Uh, I've been using mine for I think 7, 8 months now, and the old rubber band actually got dried up and ripped. So I replaced with this rubber band, but I would suggest using like a thicker one like this one, as it fits better and has more grip. We're using a cheap DC motor from China, from AliExpress. It's a geared 40 RPM DC motor, 5 volts. A USB connector that's just plug in into a regular cell phone power supply. Just switch. The USB connector is wired to the switch. The switch is through a resistor passed to the DC motor. We initially glued these together, but it was sometimes if you hold this while movement, it's kind of like ripped the glue apart. It was cheap glue that we used, so we decided just to drill a hole and bolt it on. And this has been great to do so. And the whole idea is to just turn on and make it spin. It's working with this rubber band, but I assume this is probably gonna not last as long as like a thick rubber band like this. So this rotates around 20-21 RPM. This is a 40 RPM motor, has a 2-to-1 reduction. So around 20 RPM, which is what I like to do for V-blending the powders. And this is just taped in together. So the wiring is pretty simple, operation is very simple. Those caps can be screwed off, and we can add the powder in, and we can unscrew the bottom cap off to have the powder coming out, or through the sides as well. When I need to load up or clean this, I can just remove this tape or in this tape, and this whole piece comes off quite easily to be cleaned and to remove the powders. So this is around, I think I initially measured 600 milliliters, but I think this is more closely to, I want to say 500 milliliters, but maybe 600. If it's 600, I would say probably I'll do less than 250 milliliters of powders. I measured roughly 25 grams, reaches this like middle-ish part, which is what you need to do for V-blending. You shouldn't load more than this. So it is roughly for lab size samples. Of course, you can scale this up, but you're probably gonna need like a bigger motor than this tiny motor that we have here. But it works great, as you can see. Regular power supply, just turn on and rotates. I just changed this rubber band, but I'll probably need to buy like a thicker one. As you can see, the small rubber band is giving like a little bit thing there. I do spray sometimes, not now, with WD-40 here and here, just to allow it for it to spin more freely, and not having this jagged rotation. When I do spray with WD-40 and was using this, I actually got like a very smooth 20 to 21 RPM rotation. And that's it. I hope this comes in handy when assembling. It's very straightforward, and that's it. Thank you.